rings like a ring. I just want to bling like a ring. Pulling up a foe in a drink. Rolling up the gas in the game. Yeah. I just want the rings like a ring. I just want to bling like a ring. Pulling up a foe in a drink. Rolling up that gas in the game, yeah. I'm just out here, 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 I'm
All right. Oh, let me push the bike down so it doesn't disturb the dogs. Look at these views. This is why I moved over here. Well, a big part of the reason why I moved over here. So for like the 50th time now, we are gonna see if I can explain why I dropped off the face of the earth. But first of all, oh yeah, blocking the pin code on y'all. We gotta turn on the Riser app. It's a dope app. I highly suggest downloading it. Start trip. Tracks your mileage, top speed, elevation changes, etc. Now, let's not pull out in front of this car. Let's get it going here. Here is what's been going on for... Oh, and it's raining. Dick! What else is new? We got the hurricanes coming up. This is remnants of whatever that first one was. The tropical storm or whatever. And then we're under a state of emergency. With Florence coming directly at us, I think. But let's talk about why I disappeared off the face of the earth here, guys. I got a new job. I moved. And everything just went haywire. I had to put in a ton of hours at my old job. Like, we're talking, I did not ride my motorcycle other than like where I used to live, like 3 miles up to the store and back for a few days in a row. Well, actually, it was more like a few weeks, to be honest. I didn't really get out at all. Like, I got one big trip in, and to be honest, I just did not feel like recording that day. Everything was so rushed, or everything had been so rushed, and everything had just been so hectic that I wanted to relax and enjoy my bike. But I have now moved over the mountain. If you're familiar with Virginia, over the mountain means Augusta County area. I'll give you a generalized idea of where I live. I live like right near Verona, Virginia. You know, I used to live over here, missed it so much, had a hell of a time trying to get back over here, but now here I am. And to be honest, I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm 15 miles from Wayne Cycle. I'm 15 miles, I think, from Shenandoah Harley. And they're great people to work with too. If you're, looking for a Harley. And I kind of am, actually. So Sarah and I can go out on some long cruises together, and she can be comfortable. Because let's face it, if you're riding 2-up on an FZ07, you are no way, shape, or form comfortable. Like, yeah, it's got a second seat, it's got a second set of pegs, but it's just not comfortable. But we're gonna just cruise around here. There is rain coming in yet again. I don't know how long this will last. Looks like it's starting to rain again now. Yeah, this is great, especially since, you know, I have a Hero 5 and we know how reliable those are. Knew I should have gotten out of bed at like 6 in the morning when I was up, instead of just laying around screwing around on my phone. But if you're not familiar with Verona, it's actually pretty freaking sweet, because they host the SCCA autocross events up here at the Government Center. But yeah, this is the town of Verona here. There's not much to it, but it's a pretty sweet little town, though, to be honest. This is the Government Center here. Let us take a quick little cruise to the parking lot here. See, normally like these this parking lot over here is filled, you know, with cars and everything for autocrosses. They do SCCA and Porsche Club events here. So I'll definitely be collecting, you know, like footage from that stuff. Maybe even get driving some too. But this is the area that they do it in, this big open parking lot here. I don't know how long I'll be able to stay out now because of this rain, or at least film because of this rain. Okay, does this light not want to change for me? Come on now. It's not a pressure. Yeah, sure. Swing that wide. Yeah. It's awesome. Thank you. Do. Come on. Alright, so I guess the light's not picking me up. Awesome. So we got to do everything the difficult way in the rain. Oh yeah, it's starting to sprinkle good now. Of course it is. I finally get the time, with everything going on, to run out and try to make a video. Picker-upper. Oh yeah, rain's coming in now. So we're gonna call this here. I'm sorry guys. Just not really working out at all on this crap, man. It's really frustrating. Like, I want to put out content, but between life changes and then weather, we can't get it done.